right, guys, thanks for joining us here in the charts. You are tuned in to the Market Beast. Your fellow compadres here. We're going to take a look back at the Tesla chart. It looks like we actually made a bullish call at the top, the recent top of the price action here at about $644. Since then, there has definitely been a rejection at that level, and the current price is just over $600. We're going to go over that. If you're just joining us, welcome. It's really simple how we understand this. We look for support and resistance and patterns to determine the market's direction. That's it. So if that piques your interest, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell to be notified where we see the markets going before it happens. And of course, engage in the comments section. Support the channel, guys. Leave an appropriate thumb. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. We appreciate your support. So let's do this, guys. Let's get back in this chart. And I have a prediction where I need to see Tesla close today in order for this potential fractal to play out that we've identified. It's not guaranteed that this will play out, but I do think that there's still hope for this fractal if it closes this weekly candle at a specific or below a specific level. We're going to get into that right now. Let's not waste time, guys. Let's dive right into the charts here, shall we? All right, so today's December the 11th, 2020. And the current price of Tesla is going to be $610.94. It's down about 2.5% for the day. Markets are obviously open. All right, guys, so we're definitely up against some volatility in the markets. We're also up against a weekly close. This is going to be a very important weekly close. I'll probably make this a very short video. If you guys are just joining us, we predicted that a fractal is potentially playing out in the markets, and we should see a very explosive move in the Tesla symbol here for over the next 3 months. The current month that we're in will count as 1 month. It's a 4-month breakout, basically, from this yellow line here all the way up to this yellow line here, which is currently just below $1,000, and this yellow line is currently at about $500. The only thing in my book, at least, that would prevent this fractal from playing out is if the price gets below and stays below this yellow line here at about $500, then yeah, we could just call this entire fractal off, guys. It's not going to play out, or it's highly unlikely that it's going to play out. In fact, it's going to be the total opposite. There'll probably be some significant downwards pressure in this Tesla symbol. So let me just go over one of the things that I'm looking to see happen today before the close. Hopefully we get this video out in time. So this weekly candle that we're currently up against, notice it's a green candle. I would like to see this candle close as a red candle. I know that sounds totally backwards, right? I get it. But remember, guys, the one thing that I'm focused on is candlesticks in comparison to volume. So as long as this candle closes as a red candle, so it only has to close below $604.91 because that's the open of this candle here, this weekly candle. So if it closes below that level, that would be an ideal opportunity for me to potentially enter this market. I still haven't entered anything just yet on this Tesla symbol, but that's the only thing that I'm looking to see, guys. I'd like to see this weekly candle close below $604.92. Now, let's just say it does close where it is, like above where it is now. That's actually still fine, but it's kind of a red flag for me, guys. I'll be honest. Because if this weekly candle closes where it is, or even in the green today, yeah, I would be a little skeptical on entering this market because I don't think I pulled this up on the last video, guys. Maybe we could pull this up. Maybe we won't. Let's see here. So I basically wanted to see the Bollinger Bands. I don't know if you guys can actually see that here. The Bollinger Bands is probably not that visible for you. Stick with me here, guys. Nothing's rehearsed. Hit the like button if you enjoy the content so far. I just want to show you guys the upper lip of this Bollinger Band and just show you guys how extended the price is outside of the Bollinger Band. See, it's like literally outside of the Bollinger Bands right now. So that's a little concerning for me. I mean, obviously you can see here what happened when the price closed outside of that Bollinger Band there and about that month. These are the monthly candles, by the way, on August 2020, that candle right there. So it definitely had a pretty substantial retracement in the market after closing outside of that Bollinger Bands. I think we already measured it's like 34% from the body to wick. Yeah, about 34% retracement. Excuse me. So some may ask, okay, do you see another retracement in the market here? I'm not sure, guys. I don't like the position and where it's starting at here. I'll definitely be honest about that. It's starting outside of the Bollinger Bands, and typically most price action takes place. I think a high number percentage of like 80 or 90% of the price action happens within the Bollinger Bands, okay? So that's a little bit concerning for me, I'll be honest, okay? Let's see how this weekly closes. That's the only thing that I'm looking for here in the small term, time frames to dictate the direction of the market. Remember, that's all we're doing. We're trying to determine the small swings in the market here. And the same thing here as well. It's outside of that Bollinger Band, if you can see that, just outside of that Bollinger Band. So things I guess they're looking a little bit extended, very aggressive to the upside. I mean, I guess you can say that, right? But let's see how Tesla plays out here over the next less than this close. Today's Friday, so we got about 4 hours to close on this weekly candle. Let's see how it closes. The only number, even if you want to write it down, guys, $604.91. Even if it closes there, that's fine. But I need to see these 2 weekly candles close as red candles, and at that point, I would feel a little bit more comfortable in this fractal potentially playing out here in the charts and us actually maximizing on this potential move to the upside that's brewing here in Tesla. So that's all I got for you guys. Thanks for stopping in here with me. Hopefully you guys watched that video that we posted on this Tesla instrument. You guys check that out at your own leisure. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. We put out a lot of content on the alternative markets. If you guys are into like Bitcoin, altcoins, and stuff like that, leave your requests, and hopefully we get to them. You have to be subscribed for us to get to those requests, guys. Help the channel. And that's pretty much it, guys. I appreciate your time. Thanks for stopping in with us. We're going to talk to you very soon, and bye for now.